alive as India celebrated its 76th Republic Day with a grand parade at Kartavya Path. Thousands of spectators gathered to witness this vibrant display of India's military prowess, cultural heritage and unity. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto was this year's chief guest, who joined President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the celebrations, underscoring the strengthening relationship between the two nations. The parade showcased India's progress, blending modern technology and traditional elements. The Republic Day celebrations began with Prime Minister Narendra Modi laying a wreath at the National War Memorial, paying tribute to the brave soldiers of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. President Murmu, accompanied by President Subianto, was escorted by the President's bodyguards as they made their way to Kartavya Path to witness the parade. The two leaders were warmly welcomed by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other top defence officials. The parade featured contingents from the Indian Armed Forces, with soldiers marching in perfect formation and military bands adding to the spectacle. Among the highlights were the Indonesian military band and their marching contingent, as well as impressive displays of India's defense technology. From the T-90 Bhishma battle tanks to the integrated battlefield surveillance system, the event showcased India's military strength and its commitment to self-reliance in defense. The first army contingent leading the mounted column was 61 cavalry. It was followed by 9 mechanized columns and 9 marching contingents. T-90 tanks, Nag missile system, Pinaka multi-launcher rocket system, Agniban multi-barrel rocket launcher, Akash weapon system, vehicle-mounted infantry mortar system called Aerawat were also displayed at the Kartavya Path. The parade concluded with a breathtaking flypast by the Indian Air Force, featuring the Rafale, Sukhoi 30 and Jaguars. This aerial display highlighted India's air strength and technological advancements. The 76th Republic Day Parade was a powerful reminder of India's growing position on the world stage and its continuous march towards a bright and prosperous future. Diptanshu Kashyap's report for DD India.